it's automatically start recording. Welcome, man. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Monday morning. Y'all know what? I am late, guys. Okay, this time change is messing with a brother. I hope y'all, we had some fun last night on the live stream, guys. I don't know if y'all know this, but I live stream every Sunday and Thursday. For now, I have to put for now in now because, as you know, in life, things change. Times change. Some things you have to do differently, okay? So, but for now, I do a live stream from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Sundays and Thursdays. All right? Yes, Sunday through Thursday. So, yes, and after the live stream, which ends about 9, I try to make it in by 9. But every now and then, got a few people that will just keep talking. Darty, Hemi, and them, and all of my buddies on the live stream. Every now and then, they'll keep talking, and it will go a little bit past. But I try to end it short right at 9 sharp because I have a lot of other things to do. But so we was up last night, chopping it up, talking, having fun. Met some new people. I love when I meet new people on the stream. They interesting. They funny. And I don't do the typical live stream. I try to add some humor into it, guys, because I don't know who want to sit up and listen. Technically, I don't know who want to sit up and talk about cars on a Sunday evening, but I accidentally did a live stream on a Sunday evening, and to my surprise, a lot of people chimed in. A lot of people was, I guess, on Sundays you at home. You know, it's time for a new week, and you want to talk about cars. So I was like, okay, Sunday it is. Well, anyway, I'm on my way to work. I'm late. Time change. What do I have in my stall? Guys, I have 2 stalls, right? So I think there's a car in each stall. One of them is a PT Cruiser I diagnosed last week. Guys, the thing about older model vehicles, yes, dealerships would take older model cars. But the thing you have to be reminded of when you take now, the thinking goes, only take your car to the dealership when you don't know what else is wrong with it. When you have exhausted all possibilities, when every shop out there known to man has tried and they can't figure it out, and then you go to a dealer. And I can only contribute that to the fact that the dealer has special tools. Okay, personnel, there could be difference in personnel. Yeah, a factory trained tech working in a dealership may very well know more than a non-factory trained technician. So from that standpoint, there's an incentive to go to a dealer. And the fact that he have the proper scan tool is an incentive. So, yes, I have a car. I have a PT, older model, 06 model, PT Cruiser in my stall, running bad, running rough. And the typical guys, they already put plugs and wires and things like that. I'm going to run a compression test. You know, I don't know, that's no big secret to run a compression test after you have replaced everything. In fact, you should do it before you replace everything to know if you need to replace anything, because it doesn't matter. Nothing matters at that point if you have low compression. A 4-cylinder engine on a PT Cruiser, sitting there running bad. You put plugs, I put wires, I put a core, I put everything, it's still running bad. You bring to the dealer tech, I'm going to do a compression test and see if the engine able to withstand, or if the engine able to produce the proper compression. And when he find out it's not, or low compression in one cylinder, everything you just did is null and void, guys, because you can't overcompensate for internal engine problems. All right, so stop trying. You can't say, maybe if I tune it up, the compression will get better. Wait a minute. No, it don't work like that. If one cylinder is out of specs, it will offset the balance of the engine. A 4-cylinder engines already have a hard time staying balanced anyway. Do y'all know most 4-cylinder engines, car makers had to install a balancer on them? A balancer to keep the damn thing balanced, guys. It's hard to balance a 4-cylinder engine as it is. So don't give it any help by, or don't think for a second something can offset that. A V6 engine, the balance, because you got a V engine, and you know, you can maintain a little balance with a V engine. So a lot of the V6 engines do not use a balance shaft, but especially in the older days, those engines, 4-cylinder, always was equipped with a balance shaft inside the oil pan to maintain the balance. Where was I going with this? My point is, yes, compression was low. So what do now? I have to I have to remove the head. Now, at that point, you have exceeded the value of the car, guys. We charge 8 hours to take a head off and send it out to get checked. Chances are, whoa, wait a minute. All right, hold tight, guys. Now, the labor rate is probably roughly around $200 an hour. 8 times 200, 16. That is $1,600 right off the bat. Now, you have to be realistic, guys. I'm talking to consumers right now, customers. You have to be realistic and ask yourself, is my car worth $1,600? Now, I'm not trying to belittle anybody's car. You might have some sentimental value why you love your car so much, but is your car worth $1,600? And that's just the beginning, guys. With the head gasket kit and all that stuff. So you have to be realistic when it comes to this stuff. So, yes, I got to write that estimate up, and it's going to be interesting to know what they decide to do. I don't know if it's a he or she, but got low compression. So that goes for any high mileage car that comes to a large facility, guys. The facility in question, the large facility, have to be careful. Number one, they don't want to get sued. Number two, they're going to give you the estimate that has the least amount of risk. And I'm going to tell you what's going to happen when I send that head out, because the machine shops are the same way, guys. Every facility nowadays are the same way. They tired of the risk and they tired of getting sued. So to minimize the risk or to eliminate the risk altogether, you may get a totally different crazy estimate. Here's what happened the last time I sent him a head out to a machine shop. He called back, JT, the head is too far gone, it's too warped. Then he but I just happen to have a cylinder head here for you. You can just buy a complete head from me. And so naturally my mind goes, he just really want to sell a head he have in stock, or is this head really warped? I'll never know that, and it's not my business to know. It's not my decision to make. I have to relay this information to management and the customer and let them decide. So at that point, it's out of my control. But yeah, I'm here at my work at the job, guys. So let me go in here. I'm late as it is. Let me go in here and see what's going on with the fellas. How everybody doing? Monday morning, new work, new week. Let's make it do what it do. Let's make it a great week, guys. I try to chit chat with y'all on the way to work. Now I'm at work. All right, that's all I have, guys. Thanks for watching.